Every sales job I've ever had, I can maybe cover, let's say 200 accounts in a year because there's like, 5, 10 individuals in each account that I need to call 15 times each. And instead of having 200 amazing accounts that were like hand selected by RevOps with all this data, I just get 2,000 like junk accounts that were like downloaded from a tool like ZoomInfo based on like some really cursory filter criteria, like let's click these industries and click this revenue range and done. Okay, cool. I now have one of two choices as a salesperson. I can either go become a data analyst and then I'm not selling anything, or I can just like start banging the phone and making calls to inferior prospects, which is by definition going to get an inferior outcome. Salesforce had an army of people doing this stuff. And if an organization doesn't and they just expect the SDR manager to figure it out from zero, that is just wholly unrealistic. Either the team is not executing the right process or that process isn't working. And so what we see again and again and again is like we always start off with, do we have the right process in place and is that being executed consistently? If it's not, then that's the reason why the SDR team isn't hitting their targets.